Hi, I'm Dr. Kamakshaya. In this video graph, I'm going to talk about how to save the data files in the native SADSA file format in SADSA. So I've been doing a series of presentations on SADSA, which stands for Software Application for Data Science and Analytics. In my previous videos, I've explained how to import datasets for various file formats, data stored in various file formats in computer storage. And in this video, I would like to talk about how to save the data in encrypted data files like SADSA. So in this application, there is an implementation to save the data files in an encrypted file format. And the application uses Fernet's symmetric encryption standard, which means it uses HMAC SHA-256 signature key. And what does that mean? So users will have an extra layer of security to their data files, so that the data files, if they are confidential, there'll be an additional layer of security in a way that these files cannot be opened in other applications, but the data files in a few other applications like Weka, SPSS, Tableau can be opened in this application. So this implementation will ensure data security, data privacy, and also privacy if the data is considered as very secured, and maybe for an ordinary needs of data analysis that may not be required, but maybe in some public offices, especially wherever the security issues are a big concern, there the data files can be encrypted using the inbuilt encryption algorithms in SADSA. Now how are we going to do that? So first let me demonstrate how to import the data. I would like to demonstrate as how to save the data in encrypted file format by importing a data. Obviously we need to have some data in the application, right? So I'm just going to use the legacy method. It doesn't matter, like importing doesn't matter. So I'll go to in home directory I have a data folder. So what is the home directory? It is the directory where this application is installed in your computer. Now I quickly go to a data file called recorded var. This is just a simulated synthetic data. Now you can carry on with all your activities, like you can edit this file, you can also perform some analysis, and after doing editing and performing analysis, and say you decided to save this file in an encrypted file format with an additional password security, that is possible in this application. That is the point for the discussion in today's video graph. Now how are you going to do? Now how you do is, there is a menu called save data file, and this looks very simple, without a complex functionality. Now you have two different options here. You can save all the data, or you can just select particular data variables, right? I'll just select all data and then press OK. Now comes your Windows file window, and then you can just write something here like encrypted data file, something like that, anything. But here, while choosing the options, you have to select the option SADSA Encrypted. Now when you click OK, now there will be another window. It will ask you, do you like to have password protection? And for time being, I just don't want an additional security layer through password protection. I just wanted to select no password basic encoding. Okay, now select save. It is saved. Go back to your the place where you have. So here you see, if you double click this, so this is already identified with the file association. It's identified as a SADSA application file. Now when you double click this, it is not possible to you to open that in any application. Even SADSA cannot open that, so because it is encrypted, right? So how do you open that? You need only SADSA to open this file. So go back to your SADSA application, and then maybe the new, then advanced file import, go to SADSA, then browse for the files. Now encrypted, this is the file which I am talking. Now the right side you will find this, the data which appears to you like this. Once you are okay with this, then just import data. Now this data go back to your main email. So this is how the data files can be saved using encryption algorithms available in SADSA, and that adds additional security layers so that the other people cannot open the data files if they are secret, confidential, so and so. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the new content. Bye bye.